Hey, tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. For years, one of the biggest drawbacks of foldable phones has been the visible crease running across the display. Many potential buyers hesitate to invest in a foldable device just because of this one issue. But what if I told you that Samsung might finally have a fix for it? Yes, you've heard that right. A fresh leak suggests that Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 could feature a display where the crease is almost invisible during everyday use. And that's massive news. Even the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, which was rumored to have an improved hinge, still had a noticeable crease. Some foldable phone users argue that you eventually stop noticing the crease over time, but let's be honest, if you're spending over $1,000 on a premium smartphone, you expect the display to be flawless. If Samsung has truly found a way to significantly reduce the crease, this could be the breakthrough moment that convinces more people to switch to foldable phones. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. While there's been a lot of buzz about the Fold 7, there's very little information about the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Will Samsung incorporate the same crease reduction technology into its clamshell foldable? That remains uncertain, but if they manage to achieve this on both models, it could be a huge step forward for the Flip series as well. Beyond just the display improvements, there's another major leak circulating. Samsung's Exynos chipset might be making a return. According to reports, Samsung has finally stabilized its 3nm manufacturing process, and the upcoming Exynos 2500 chipset is expected to power the next generation Z series foldables. If Samsung executes this successfully, we might even see Exynos chips returning to the Galaxy S lineup in full force. The company is already working on an advanced 2nm chipset, the Exynos 2600, which is rumored to power the Galaxy S25 next year. For years, Qualcomm's Snapdragon processors have outperformed Samsung's Exynos chips, but if Samsung has genuinely resolved its performance and efficiency issues, we could see major improvements in speed, battery life, and hopefully, no more overheating concerns. Could foldables replace the Galaxy S series? Let's be real, the Galaxy S25 launch felt somewhat underwhelming. The phones didn't bring any revolutionary features, and much of the hardware seemed like a slight refresh of previous models. While the S25 lineup is still a solid choice, it didn't offer a compelling reason for users to upgrade. But if the Z Fold 7 truly delivers a near crease-free experience, it could be the game changer that reignites excitement in the smartphone market. Maybe, just maybe, those who were left unimpressed by the S25 series will finally take the leap into the foldable world. Now, here's a big question for you. If Samsung successfully eliminates the crease, would you consider buying a foldable phone? Let's discuss in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.